Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to graph a linear equation. This is the second video on graphing linear equations, so you might want to check out the previous one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. The linear equation that we are going to graph is y equals x plus 2. As you can see, a coordinate grid is already set up next to the equation. So what's the first step that we should take? Let's look for the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is the point at when x equals 0. In the general form of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So what is the b in this equation? The b in this equation is 2. When x equals 0, y equals 2. So the y-intercept is at 0, 2. Let's graph the point of 0, 2 on the graph. As you can see, a point is now plotted at 0, 2. Now let's find another point. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's find the slope. What is the slope in this equation? Remember, the slope is like the rate of change. In the general form of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. What is the m in this equation? The m in this equation is 1. Even though you cannot see the slope attached to the variable x, you can still assume that the slope is 1. So as x increases by 1, y increases by 1. Now that we know that the slope is 1, let's substitute an x-coordinate for x. Let's pick the x-coordinate of 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So when x equals 1, y equals 3. As you can see, the point of 1, 3 is already plotted on the graph. Now we have 2 points on the graph. Now that we have 2 points on the graph, let's connect a line through them. If you are graphing, make sure that the line goes through points that correspond with the equation. So there you have it. We have graphed the linear equation on the graph. I hope you understood how we graphed the linear equation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.